Hey everybody, Nate Lee here at the Swannanoa Gathering, and I've been teaching fiddle here this week. And I was too busy at Kaufman Camp last week to make a fiddle video, so I wanted to make sure to take some time to do that here. So last night at the instructor concert, I played a really cool tune with Tony Trischka, one of his. It's called 𝘀𝗃𝗽𝗽 Bullfight, and I used this lick. So I figured I'd show y'all how to play it. It's an octave lick. And the way it works is you play a note, any note you want. In this case, this is an E minor lick I'm playing. And you find any note that you want. In this case, I'm playing an E. And you put down your first finger on it. And then you take your pinky and you put it an octave above on the next higher string. So first finger on the lower string, fourth finger on the higher string. And that gives you an octave, which is a really cool sound. So to play this lick, you start there, first finger and fourth finger. Both are on E notes. And we're going to play the low note twice, and then the high note twice. Now, come up to third position. We're going to play a G note with your first finger, and then a G note with your pinky. Same pattern. Now scoot it down a half step, F sharp with your first finger, F sharp with your pinky. Another half step down, F, and then pinky. And then we come back to where we started. So the lick sounds like this. Just like that. And you can mix up the order any way that you want. You should go check out 𝘀𝗃𝗽𝗽 Bullfight. Pretty interesting song, and it's just wild. Got a pretty wild form to it and unpredictable chord changes. But you can throw this lick in all kinds of stuff. Bluegrass and swing. I'm actually listening to a swing jam right now just up across the way. There's a lot of jamming here at Swannanoa. If you are a music camp going kind of person, or even if you're not, you should think about coming out here because you're missing out. So hope you enjoy this lick, and let me know what you think of it if you find some cool uses for it. This one is more for advanced players, but I'll follow up soon with something for the beginners and intermediates out there. All right, bye everybody.